Hello everyone, welcome to Physics by Aryan. I am Aryan Mehra. I have done my MSc Physics from IIT Delhi in last year, and now I am a PhD student at Center for Nanoscience and Technology in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Right? So today we will discuss all about BARC exam. Many of you want to become a scientific officer in BARC. It's a like a dream job for many of the physics graduates. Now, BARC, as known as Baba Atomic Research Center, hires scientific officer each and every year to do a many various kind of projects in the different centers across the India. BRC has its center in Mumbai, in Indore, and they need scientific officers in all of the branches to do the various kind of projects. And you are joining as a scientific officer through this exam, scientific officer through this exam in BRC. Now, this scientific officer is a Group A job of Government of India. It's a Group A job of Government of India at the level 10 with a very good salary and a good stability. It's a government job and so on. And many people want to get into this job. And there are two ways of actually you can get into BRC. Number one is you get a very good gate rank, let's say under 70 rank, or you qualify their BRC exam, which is going to happen on 8th or 9th of April. It probably will happen in the two shifts. Half of the people will give on the 8th April, some other will give on the 9th April. If you qualify either the BRC exam or you have a under 70 rank or something like that in GATE exam, then you will be called for an interview. And then based on the interview performance, you will be given this job. There is no marking given for examination or to the gate exam for the final selection. Only interview marks are considered, but in order to get to the interview you need to qualify the exam. So this is a very prestigious job, you all know about that. And you are under the directly under the Government of India. It's a central government job. And then, but the main thing is, if you have do not have the gate rank of under 70, then the only option that is left for you is BRC exam. And this BRC exam can be qualified if you follow certain steps, if you know about the exam, because there is no fixed syllabus which is given for BRC exam. There is no pre-IQ available for BRC exam. Then only thing that you can do is play safe and cover as much as possible. But you should know what to cover and what is going to be asked in the exam and so on. Okay, so let's do it. So let's see what this exam is going to be. First of all, the date of exam is 8th or 9th April, right? It is going to be 2 hour exam, and there are going to be 100 questions. So too many questions in such a less time. 100 questions, it means 50 questions per hour. That's too many questions. So only problem in this exam is time management. The level of questions is not going to be tough, but the problem is time management, how you manage your time in the exam. There are going to be 3 marks for each question, and if you get any question wrong, you are going to get -1 mark. So whatever question you are attempting in such a hurry, that should be correct, otherwise you will going to lose 4 marks for each wrong question. 3 which you didn't got, plus -1 as well, right? So total 300 marks. And if you really want to qualify this exam, 150 to 160 usually is a cutoff for this exam. So you have to be in this range. Okay, so the nature of this exam is very simple. First, they don't give you the syllabus. It means syllabus is not less, but the syllabus is very much large. Based on my experience and my friends' experience and other people's experience, the syllabus which you can see is entire GATE syllabus. Number one, first thing is entire GATE syllabus. Number two, all the jam topics. Okay, jam topics also comes in the BRC exam in a good number of amount. Why? Because waves, oscillation and optics is not in gate. Okay, if you see, thermodynamics is not such a heavy part in the gate, so that also comes. Then there are many other, for example, modern physics, Compton effect, black body radiation, these kind of topics, all the jam level topics are also in the syllabus. So gate is a syllabus, jam is a syllabus, and sometimes few net topics are also the syllabus. For example, scattering theory, right? In quantum mechanics, for example, the WKB approximation in, right, some advanced topics of electronics. So some net topics, not all the entire net syllabus, but few advanced net topics of part C are also the part of the BARC examination syllabus. So these three combined give you the syllabus, and you have a very less time. The exam is going to be on 8th or 9th April. You have a very less number of time, and you have to cover entirely all of these things. So how you can actually cover that? That I am going to discuss today. So number one thing, time management is the key. Not just in the exam itself, but also in covering the syllabus, time management is important. If you cover one subject in a very depth and you leave all other subjects, then you are going to lose so many marks. You have to cover all the subjects at a very basic level, but your coverage of the syllabus should be broad. Otherwise, you won't be able to qualify this exam. So one thing which we have to cover broad syllabus. Second thing we got is time management is a key throughout. Then how do we cover the syllabus? Number one thing that comes is, okay, how do I cover this? When I'm reading anything, how can I cover it? So very basic thing is read the book very thoroughly. For example, let's take an example of electromagnetism. Do not read the entire book, but just read DJ Griffith's few chapters, but those few chapters should be read very thoroughly because the questions are going to come in between the text. Very basic questions. For example, what is the units of electric flux? Right? If you forgot in the exam, then you don't have time to recall. You don't have the time to drive it. Right? In between the text, questions are going to come. What is an integral form of Gauss's law? What is the differential form of Gauss's law? What is a radial solution of Laplace equation? Very simple kind of questions, but the questions will be, you will be able to solve the questions only if you have read the book very thoroughly and also you have done the solved examples. Reading the book is not sufficient because some numerical problems also come, but the numerical problems are very easy if you have done the solved examples of most of the books. I will give you the list of the books. I will tell you how you can cover the syllabus. But if you have whatever book you are reading, if you have read the book very thoroughly 2-3 times at least, okay, only follow those books which you have already studied sometime in your BSc and MSc. Do not try to go for very new books and do not try to experiment because you do not have much time left. Then you can very have to be very thorough for few chapters of that book. Whatever chapter you are studying, study deeply or don't study. Okay, go and read the chapter very nicely, but do not try to read so many things. Don't try to read so many things. Cover the broad syllabus, but whatever you are reading, at least make sure that you have a story in your mind built up. For example, the entire story of electrostatics. What is the story? From where it begins? What are all the graphs are present? What are all the theorems, Gauss's law, and etc.? How do we apply those? That's it. Okay, so in this way, you have to cover the broad syllabus as well. But when you are covering the broad syllabus, whatever syllabus you are studying, read the few selective topics in that and make a very thorough reading of that. Then assignments. If you only read book, then it is of no use. You have to solve the assignments very nicely. You must have some assignments available which are of exactly of the same level as BRC. There are many assignments which are available which are for gate level, which are for the net level, in which questions are little difficult, not little, much difficult than the actual BARC exam. You must have the questions which are exactly of the same level as BARC and can be solved in a limited amount of time, which gives you a good practice of BARC concepts. You do not need everything. You need only limited amount, but the assignments should be of the same level of the BARC examination. So first step you have to go is read the book thoroughly, then you need assignments, and the last step which is needed is mock tests. If you don't give mock tests, then it is like going without any practice, because there is going to be a very huge time crunch in the exam and you need to sit for 2 hours for at least 5-6 exams, 5-6 mock tests, so that you are sure that you can actually solve 100 questions in 120 minutes. And the problem with most of the test series which are available right now is either they are not full tests, they are like 1 hour tests, or their question level is not matching with the BARC actual question levels. That becomes a problem. then you are not able to complete the exams, and then it becomes a problem for you. So you have to have a good assignments, good mock test, and the thorough book reading. If these three things are covered for a wide range of syllabus, then your chances to qualify this exam is very nice, right? You will be actually be able to solve many questions in the exam. At least you will be able to get something in the range of 200, and then you can easily qualify, because not many difficult questions are going to come in the exam. Very pretty simple questions are going to come, right? So how we can study for this exam, how we can actually go about reading this exam, studying this exam. So I have divided weekly. This is not very strict, this is only just my course plan, but the course which I'm going to give for BARC, I have designed this course after a lot of thinking and putting lot of effort. So what I am going to give in the course, and what how you can actually take a full benefit of this, right? So 1 week at least 2 subjects should be done, right? Because you need speed as well as you need the thorough reading. So 2 subjects. So let's first take the EMT subject. So in my course, the preparation is going to begin from 20th February, that is next Monday when I'm recording this session. But you can join this course anytime. But whenever you join this course, you will begin from very first subject, electromagnetism. Or if your electromagnetism is very good, you can start from some other as well. But my recommendation will be start from first subject, electromagnetism. Now, I have divided electromagnetism into simple topics. For example, first topic is vectors, which is you need spherical and cylindrical polar coordinates, right? Second step is electrostatics. Third is advanced topic is electrostatics. Fourth is magnetostatics. Then electrodynamics. Then few topics of CSR net, which are very important. For example, gauge invariance, right? For example, radiations. So one very simple question can be asked from these topics. Now, for each and every such topic, I have given a recommendation book. Recommendation book, also video, also video, right? So let's say for example, let's take an example of electrostatics. So you will be given a book, for example, DJ Griffiths, and an exact chapter which you need to study, exactly that chapter, not the entire book, the exact chapter which you need to study. Once you study that chapter, or if you're not able to understand that chapter, the video recommendation is also there on the same portal. The course is going to be on our website, which is tests.physicsbyaryan.com. So let me write tests.physicsbyaryan.com. I have made the course there. So in the same page, in the same course page, you will get a topic wise division of every subject, then book recommendation for each topic, then video recommendation for each topic. And now it is not like any random videos. These videos I have personally followed, and these videos actually are very easy to understand, so that you can very quickly understand what is going on, and you can actually go to the exact place where you don't actually have the good understanding. You don't have to follow all the videos, but exactly you can see that okay, I have the problem in this topic, and you can go and study that topic only from the video. Other than that, you can cover from the reading the book, right? Then I am giving the short notes for each and every topic. Let's say you join the course late, or let's say you don't have enough time to read the book, or let's say you have read the book also, then also you need the short notes, so that you are sure that whatever was in the book, I have covered everything. I have covered all the formulas which I should have done. So in short notes, whatever formulas are there, you should at least know all the formulas. You must have read it from somewhere, so that you are sure that okay, I have covered the syllabus for this topic and my topic is ready. But that's not enough. Then you need assignment. So I have made an assignments from different questions, from various kind of questions. These questions are not copied from any other coaching institution or any of that. These are very new questions which I have made, which I have got from different sources actually. And these questions are exactly of the same level as BRC. So that when you once you do these questions, the entire solution of these assignments will also be given to you, so that even if you have any problem in understanding these questions, you can actually go to the solutions of the assignments and solve the assignments thoroughly. So your assignments are done. So for each subject, division into topic wise, each topic you get you get recommended book, video, short notes, and assignments. Right? Once you are done with the subject, the mock tests are also available. Right? In this way, we will complete two subjects every week, but you can join any time in this course and you can cover the syllabus in any order if you want. So first week I will put two subjects. One is electromagnetism, another is stat mech. Then quantum mechanics and electronics will be in the next week. Then classical mechanics and mathematical methods, atomic and nuclear, and then in the other week, and then jam topics. So thermal physics and waves oscillation and optics are the jam topics which you need, and solid state physics. And in the end, by the 26th March, your syllabus will be done. Then you can actually keep on revising your syllabus. Okay, you can cover any undone topic or any left topics, anything you want you can do after that. So in the course, the syllabus will be done on 26th March. All the material which is given to has been mentioned here will be given to you by 26th March. Okay. So in this way, if you go, you will actually see that you can actually manage both jest preparation and BARC preparation together. Because if you see till 12th March, your exam is on 11th March. Till 12th March, we are covering EMT StatMech, quantum electronics, classical mathematics. And these 6 subjects are the syllabus of the JEST exam. So till JEST exam, you are actually studying for both BRC and JEST, right? You are studying for JEST, but your preparation for BRC is continuously going on along with your JEST itself. So your JEST is not suffering because of BARC. And then once the JEST is over, immediately after that, you will start covering the topics which are only in BRC. For example, atomic and nuclear physics. Okay, atomic molecular physics and nuclear and particle physics, right? Then JAM syllabus, right? And then your revision, JAM syllabus and also solid state physics. These 3 subjects are coming in quite good amount. You must have seen that in GATE exam also. So you cannot leave these subjects. You have to cover these subjects. So, but you have to read the book thoroughly, and also the short notes that will be given to you have to cover those assignments. You should do, even if you don't take the course, you have to find some good assignments which you can solve. You have to find some good mock tests which you can solve, so that your preparation goes very nicely. Because many people will give this exam, at least 16-20,000 people will give this exam, and not less, let's say 100-150 people, or let's say 200 people will get selected for the interview. So you have to beat such a high competition. You have to be thorough and the broad with your syllabus. Okay. So as I mentioned, the content of the course I already mentioned: detailed guidance PDF, short notes, assignments, doubt. Yeah, doubt class will be there every alternative weekend. So twice a month, I will take a doubt class of 2-3 hours where we can discuss all the doubts of the syllabus which we have done so far, so that your doubts are clear. Then test series will be there, detailed test series. So there are going to be 8 tests. All the tests will be 2 hours, just like a jam. Okay. You can see the schedule of the 8 tests, when they are going to be live and when you can give them. If you do not want to buy the entire course, and if you only want the test series, you can do that as well. So you can just buy the test series. Okay. And you just buy the test series and give the test, if you don't want the entire course itself, right? Then you will be added to a community group in which you can discuss the questions with each other. You can discuss the topics. You can give me the suggestions, take the suggestions from me as well. And the best part is, all the books and everything which you need is given to you at the one place. Actually, I want you to show that actually how your portal is going to look like, how you can actually see, how you can actually, what is our portal where you are going to prepare for this course. So let me just show very quickly. Let me share this screen. I hope that you will be able to see the screen. Yeah. So once you go to our website, which is tests.physicsbyaryan.com. Okay, let me log out and then go, so that you can actually see how it will look for you. So it will look something like this. So if you go on the first course, which is BARC 2023 course, You can actually log into this if you have already made an account on our website, or you can make a new account. It's very easy to make a new account. If you make a new account and you log in, and if you have already purchased the course, you will be able to see this BRC course. Okay. So once you see this BRC course, you will see all the doubt sessions here. Whatever doubt discussions we have, you can start any doubt discussion in this area. You will see all the announcements from me, and then stepwise you will see all the subjects divided into topic wise. So first week subject, as I mentioned, is electromagnetism. So I have detail given what are the topics to cover. For example, basics of electrostatics, electric field in matter, which most of the students miss out, multipole expansion, image problem, magnetostatics, magnetic field, EM waves, superposition of EM waves, right? Superposition of EM waves, most of the students leave out. Then the three topics of the net: radiations, waveguides, and gauge invariance. Now for this entire syllabus, you need books. You need Griffiths book. So if you click on this Griffiths book, the book will open up. You don't have to go separately and download the book. You will just click on this, you will get the book, right? You will get the solution book as well. Then topic wise, you will start seeing something like that. For example, electrostatics. You have to read DJ Griffiths chapter number 2 complete, all along with the solved and unsolved problems. Okay. And also you need to see the physics bar and short notes, and then you definitely have to solve the assignment, right? And then this video recommendation, so that for each topic you have the exact videos to watch. For example, for this electrostatics, you need to watch 24 to 39 lecture. And don't worry, these are not very big lectures, 10-15 minute lectures, so you can easily watch 15 lectures in one day, right? Very simple, short lectures, right? Then second topic, Laplace equations, similar thing, notes are there, book is there. Third topic, image problem, multipole expansion, electric field in matter, right? For each and every topic, DJ book is mentioned, and specific chapter of the book is also mentioned. Then you can see all the PDF which I have mentioned. So all the notes, physics by Aaron notes, 1, 2, 3, image problem notes, multi expansion notes. So let's open one of these notes to actually show you. So you see all the notes which is needed in this electrostatics. Three notes are here, right? You can actually see this is on the Laplace equations, right? These notes are on Laplace equation, and whatever is needed to understand is given to you. For example, sample problems are also solved here, so that you get a very good understanding. Then if you see, assignment is there, assignment solutions are also here. Then magnetostatics, next topic. So similarly, the entire syllabus has been divided into topics, and each week, whatever the topics of that week are, the each week the subjects will be updated, and you can start studying for those. Okay. And in the end, you will be able to see the test series. Test series, 8 tests. If you enroll in the course, you can give all of these tests. These are included in the course, but if you only want to buy the test series, that is also possible. You can just buy the course and you buy the test series, and you will only be able to see the test series, not other part of the course, right? So in this way, I have tried to make each and everything at one place, because you have less time. You don't want to waste your time in gathering the resources, gathering the assignments. You only want that very quickly you can cover the syllabus. You can have the your assignments ready. If you have any problem in the assignment, solution of assignment should be available. If you don't want to spend the time on which book to read, for each topic book is mentioned to you. Each and everything is mentioned. You only need to cover the syllabus in steps. Every week, whatever the mentioned syllabus is, you need to cover it. And even if you join the course late, you have to start from the very beginning and keep covering the syllabus as soon as possible, so that you can get the syllabus done before the exam. So this is how you can take the full benefit of the course. About the BARC exam itself, I have already mentioned you. You have to be thorough with the book, right? And so on. And you have to solve assignments. You have to give the mock test, right? So that you can actually qualify this exam with a good rank. Now the thing is how you can actually enroll in the course. That's the last thing that I want to mention. So the method to enroll in the course is that, okay, let me show you. So you just need to come to this website, right? Make an account on for yourself, make login through here, make an account for yourself if you are new to this. and then pay the fees. You have to pay the fees of 1999 rupees, roughly 2000 rupees, if you want to get the BARC course, right? If you only want test series, the test series is only for 700 rupees. If you only want the test series, you can get all this detail in our Telegram channel. So once you pay the fees, the how to pay the fees is also mentioned there. Okay, there are three methods to pay the fees. You can easily go go there and see that in our Telegram channel. If you come, I have shared the PDF which I was sharing with you. I can share that again so that you can see that what is there. Okay, let me show you. Okay, how to enroll. So you have to pay the fees for 1900 for bar course. Okay, and it is 2999 if you also want CSR net course. So CSR net course is also going to begin from 20th Feb. You can join both BRC and CSR net course. So you will save 1000 rupees if you join both of them together, right? In CSR net, assignments are separate, solutions are separate, tests are separate, because those are difficult tests, those are difficult questions. Okay, so you can join both of them together. These are three methods to pay the fees. You can use any. You can either use GPA, Paytm, or PhonePe at this number, or you can use UPI ID, or you can use the transfer to the account. Okay. Then you have to make an account on our website. As I mentioned, if you go to this login, you will have something like that. Just make an account here. Once you make an account, message me on this number. Message me on this number, and you will be given a Google form to fill. Once you fill this Google form, within 24 hours, you will be able to see the course when you log into the website. Within 24 hours. It will not take more than that. And within 24 hours, you will be able to see the course there. You can see everything which is available there. And then from there on, you can start studying. Whenever you join the course, you are given a personalized plan. Let's say you join the course little late. Even then, I will tell you that how you can very quickly skip the few things and do the other things which are more important, so that you have a personalized plan in front of you. So join the course. It's very beneficial course. It has been designed specially for the students. Okay, so that they can prepare for BRC exam very fast. And if you have any questions, any queries regarding anything, not just about the course or something, anything, then you can message me on Telegram at this number, or the best way is you join our Telegram channel, Physics by Aryan. So just search Physics by Aryan on Telegram. You will get this channel. Join this channel. More than 3000 people are in this channel, and be a part of the community. You will get to learn many things. There are many things which are going on. Just free courses going on. You can take a full benefit of that. So I hope the video was useful for you, and see you all. So wish you all very best. So see ya from my side.